everybody, it's your girl FitnessWithFlexHers. For a lot of you guys, when you're following a healthy meal plan, usually people tend to complain about eating bland and boring foods. But that is no longer an issue for you guys. Head over to our YouTube channel, FitnessWithFlex, where once a month I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some of my favorite recipes. As a lot of you guys may know, I came out with a recipe ebook called From Junk Food to Good Food, where I get some of our favorite cheat meals and I turn them into healthier alternatives. So for those of you that want to be healthy, that want to get to your fitness goal, stay tuned because you're going to love this one.